Welcome to Chandana Max channel. Students, today we are learning one more volume calculation by using triple integral in third B.Sc. Mathematics, multiple integrals and applications of vector calculus, semester 5, paper 6B, second unit multiple integrals 2. Find the volume of tetrahedron bounded by the coordinate planes and the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Solution. Given tetrahedron x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. This is the equation of the plane in the intercept form. Then x-intercept, this is the equation of the plane in the intercept form. X-intercept A, y-intercept B, z-intercept is C. This is the length of x-intercept A units. Then the vertex A can be taken as A, 0, 0. This is the y-intercept. Then B vertex can be taken as 0, B, 0. This is the z-intercept. Then C vertex can be taken as 0, 0, C. The volume of tetrahedron bounded by the coordinate planes. So, take coordinate planes. Coordinate planes means xy plane z equal to 0, yz plane x equal to 0, zx plane y equal to 0. Take y equal to 0 and z equal to 0 in 1. Then x by a plus 0 by b plus 0 by c equal to 1. This implies x by a equal to 1, x equal to a. Therefore, limits of x equal to 0 to x equal to a. Limits of x can be taken as x equal to 0 to x equal to a. Now put z equal to 0 in 1. Then x by a plus y by b plus 0 by c equal to 1. This implies x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Y by b equal to 1 minus x by a plus x by a ఇటువైపు నోట్ చేసుకుంటే y by b equal to 1 minus x by a. This implies y equal to, on cross multiplication, b into 1 minus x by a. Therefore, limits of y equal to 0 to y equal to b into 1 minus x by a. Now, again from 1, x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. This implies z by c equal to 1 minus x by a minus y by b. This implies z equal to, on cross multiplication, c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Therefore, limits of z equal to 0 to z equal to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Therefore, required volume volume equal to triple integral dx into dy into dz. First integrating with respect to z. Integral 1 is z. Integral x equal to 0 to a. Integral y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Integral 1 means z with limits z equal to 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b dy dx is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a. Integral y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Now apply the upper limit and lower limit. C into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Now integrating with respect to y. This equal to integral x equal to 0 to a. Integral y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. C minus cx by a minus cy by b multiplying with c dy into dx. This c can be taken as c into 1. This is cx by a into 1. Now we are integrating with respect to y. Integral x equal to 0 to a. C into integral 1 dy minus cx by a into integral 1 dy minus c by b into integral y dy. Now apply the integral for these terms. While integrating with respect to y, take this as a quotient with the limits y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. This equal to integral x equal to 0 to a. C into integral 1 is y with the limits minus cx by a into again integral 1 is y minus c by b integral y power 1. This is in the form of integral x power n. Formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So y square by 2. Now apply the limits. This equal to integral x equal to 0 to a c into y limits b into 1 minus x by a minus lower limit is 0 minus cx by a again b into 1 minus x by a upper limit minus lower limit minus c by 2b upper limit b into 1 minus x by a whole square minus lower limit. Multiplying these terms and applying and multiplying each term as like this. Integral x equal to 0 to a bc minus bcx by a minus bcx by a plus bcx square by a square minus bc by 2. Expand this as a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now multiplying each term with this value. integral x equal to 0 to a bc minus bcx by a minus bcx by a plus bcx square by a square minus bc by 2 plus into minus minus bcx square by 2a square minus into minus plus 2 cancel bc x by a. Once again multiplying each term with this minus bc by 2. 2 cancel minus into minus plus bcx by a plus bcx by a minus bcx by a. This equal to integral x equal to 0 to a final terms bc minus bcx by a plus bcx square by a square minus bc by 2 minus bcx square by 2a square dx. Now integrating each term with respect to x. This equal to bc integral 1 is x minus bc by a integral x square by 2 plus bc by a square integral x square is x cube by 3 minus bc by 2 integral 1 dx is x minus bc by 2a square integral x square x cube by 3 with the limits 0 to a. bc a minus 0 minus bc by 2a a square minus 0 plus bc by 3a square a cube minus 0 minus bc by 2 a minus 0 minus bc by 2 3s are 6a square a cube minus 0 abc minus abc by 2 plus abc by 3 minus abc by 2 minus abc by 6. Take 6 LCM by 1 6 abc minus 3 abc 3 times cancel here 2 times cancel plus 2 abc minus 3 times cancel 3 abc minus abc. This equal to addition 6 abc plus 2 abc 8 abc minus 3 abc minus 3 abc minus 6 abc minus abc minus 7 abc by 6. This equal to abc by 6. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.